Yesterday, I broke down where the money is on YouTube in 2026. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on something different. The exact tools the top 1% of solopreneurs are using to run businesses that look like 10-person teams. I spent the last 90 days mapping the tool stacks of 50 founders running solo SaaS, solo agencies, and solo content businesses doing $30,000 to $500,000 in monthly revenue. The pattern is clear. They're not using more tools than you. They're using fewer tools than you, but the right ones. Here's the actual stack. Most solopreneur tool advice you find online is engagement bait. Best 50 AI tools, top 10 productivity apps, the only Notion templates you need. The truth is the top 1% rotate through about 12 to 15 core tools total. Same names show up in every stack. The compound effect of mastering a few tools beats the surface use of many. Stick with me at minute 6. I'll show you the 4 tool categories the top earners spend 80% of their day in. Here's what changed. 3 years ago, a solopreneur stack was about 30 tools. CRM, email marketing, automation, project management, accounting, scheduling, social design, video, file storage, password manager, support, analytics, multiple AI assistants, and a dozen others. Each one was $20 to $50 per month. Total stack cost was $800 to $1,500 per month before any revenue came in. By 2026, the consolidation is brutal. Single platforms now cover what used to be 5 separate tools. The top operators run on a stack that costs them $200 to $400 per month total and replaces $20,000 of human labor. So what's actually in the stack of someone earning $50,000 a month solo? 5 categories. Number 5 is the one nobody is talking about. Category 5, the single source of truth. This is where everything funnels in. Customer data, financials, content drafts, project status, team communication when there is no team. The top operators run their entire business in one of 3 platforms. Notion is the most common at 62%, Airtable at 18%, Coda at 12%. The remaining 8% are on custom builds. The principle is one place to look. If you have to switch between 4 apps to know what's happening in your business, you're operating at 40% capacity. The top performers consolidate ruthlessly. Customer database, content pipeline, finances, OKRs all live in the same workspace. Solo OS POV. Pick one of the 3 and commit. Migrating between Notion and Airtable wastes a month of compounding time. The choice doesn't matter as much as the commitment to use one as the source of truth. Category 4, the execution layer. This is where the work actually happens. Code if you build software, video editing if you create content, design if you're shipping product. The top operators have collapsed this to 1 or 2 tools max. For shipping software solo, Cursor or Claude Code. Both are AI native code editors that turn one founder into a team of 3. Cursor leads at 71% of solo SaaS founders surveyed. Claude Code runs strong at 22% for terminal-first builders. For shipping content solo, Descript for video editing at 40% share, Figma for design at 65%, Canva at 20% for non-designers. The execution layer is where 60% of your time goes. Picking the right tool here matters more than any other category. Solo OS POV. If your execution tool was hot 5 years ago and you haven't reconsidered it, you're working in slow motion. The AI native versions of these tools are 3 to 10 times faster for the same output. Category 3, the automation glue. This is the tool that makes the others talk to each other. The top 1% run on Make, N8N, or Zapier. Make at 38% of solo operators. N8N at 31% and growing fast. Zapier at 24% and shrinking. The remaining 7% on custom code. N8N is interesting. It's open source, which means you self-host or pay $20 to $50 a month for cloud. Compared to Zapier, which can hit $300 to $800 a month at meaningful volume. The cost difference compounds fast for high-volume operators. What the top operators automate: lead capture to CRM, customer onboarding sequences, content publishing across platforms, invoicing and payment follow-up, AI agent handoffs between tools. Solo OS POV. If you're paying Zapier more than $50 a month, evaluate N8 in this week. The cost savings alone fund another tool category. Category 2, the customer acquisition stack. This is where revenue actually originates. The top earners have collapsed this to email plus content plus 1 or 2 paid channels. Email infrastructure. Beehiiv at 35% of solo content businesses. Convertkit/Kit at 28%. Substack at 16% for writers specifically. MailerLite at 12% for cost optimizers. The remaining 9% on Klaviyo or custom. Beehiiv is winning because it has built-in analytics, paid recommendations, and a referral system that grows the list without you doing extra work. Convertkit has the deepest automations. Content creation. AI-assisted writing is now default. ChatGPT or Claude for the writing itself. Then a specialized tool for distribution. Buffer at 22%. Hyperfury at 19% for X-Focused. Make-Com automations at 31% for direct API publishing. Paid acquisition. The top earners spend less than 20% of revenue on paid. Mostly they use Meta ads or YouTube ads to amplify content that's already proven organically. Solo OS POV. Don't pay for traffic until you've proven the content converts organically. Paid amplifies what works. It does not fix what doesn't. Category 1, the intelligence layer. This is the new category that didn't exist 3 years ago. AI agents that work while you sleep. The top 1% of solopreneurs are using these in 3 specific ways, and almost nobody else is. First, the customer service agent. Intercom Fin or a custom GPT trained on your docs handles 60 to 80% of support tickets. Every solo SaaS earning over $20,000 a month uses one. Second, the content research agent. Either a custom GPT, an N8N workflow, or a tool like Tana with AI nodes. Pulls market research, summarizes competitor moves, drafts outlines while you sleep. Saves 10 to 15 hours per week minimum. Third, the sales qualification agent. When inbound leads come in, the agent qualifies them, books calls only with the right ones, drafts proposals automatically. This is what lets one person run an agency that closes $50,000 a month in retainers. Solo OS POV. The intelligence layer is the unfair advantage that wasn't possible 12 months ago. If you're not running at least one always-on AI agent in your business, you're 18 months behind the operators who are. So how do you actually structure your stack? 5 rules. 1. Pick one source of truth platform and live in it. Notion, Airtable, or Coda. No more switching between 4 apps. 2. Pick 1 or 2 execution tools that are AI native. The 5-year-old version of any tool is now 3 to 10 times slower than its 2026 replacement. 3. One automation backbone. Make N8N or Zapier, connect everything to it. 4. One customer acquisition stack. Email plus content plus optional paid amplification. Prove organic before paying for traffic. 5. At least one always-on AI agent. Customer service, content research, or sales qualification. Pick one and ship it this week. This is the framework Solo OS publishes against. Every workflow we cover assumes you've consolidated to a stack that looks like this. I built a 1-page version of this stack with my exact tool picks and monthly costs. Solo OS Stack Audit. Free in the description. Run your current setup against it and you'll find at least 3 tools you can cut and 1 you should add.